anything go wrong, you know what to do.
Whisper. Stop telling me about that. I don't like all this sound.
Alright. I'm not really negative, you know. But you see, as agents, you have to prepare for anything. I'm pretty this. Yeah, I'm a shadow.
Funny. If me a shadow, I would have over there with you.
You know, so that can't happen.
You operate off the book, not true.
Yeah, fully. And you know how that go, though.
Alright, Whisper. I know that go. But promise me one thing. If you're not report to Bubbles, make me know your movement them.
So why you think me there here? And what me just do?
I not talk about you coming here and give me information. I talk about you having a burner and keep it on so I can track you.
I might not have my burner at all times. But it's a going in the car. And anywhere the car there, I'm close to where me there.
Alright. So what if I go over there? I mean, not with you, by myself, and scout out the place so I can get a better visual and draw what I see.
Now you were saying about. Remember, say your burner for always on. And once your burner on, them have to see which part you have. And once them see which part you have, then Mr. Mullins are going to start pre you. And I'm going to start pre me. Because if already I pre me already, if limit with to certain things, and he want to have me on a leash, but I just have to do what I have to do.
So, Luna Perez.
Luna Perez. That name sounds familiar.
Chief Pathologist for the Eastern Regional Health Authority.
Okay. Isn't she the woman that found the gunshot wounds on the woman they said that died of natural causes?
Yeah. She was offered money to state that there were no bullet or bullet wounds, but she refused it.
Wow, that's refreshing to hear, because some of these people in the government system are easily bought.
Even more interesting is who she's acquainted with. That would make that kind of upstanding citizenry interesting.
And who would that be?
Tony.
What?
What exactly do you try to achieve from this?
Three main things. One, prove that the Asian them are all of the crime. Next thing, one, see if them linked to Tony. And most important part, one know who on the ground are all of the Asian them here.
So what you try to know? Lock yourself in the community?
Already in the community, you know. I'm not really lucky in still. But I just try make some link with some individual but I think can lead me to something.
So what if them ask if you have a family member over there? You make any link with anybody?
Well, yeah. My little lady over there when you miss Gwen, she always buy food from her. And she say, remind her grandson. So when me there over there, I help her every day and thing. So she can make a account for me.
Alright, just do me a favor. Keep me in the room, alright?
And you just remember, it's between me and you.
My pastor stay there in a whisper. My pastor stay there. Remember, I'm gonna do this.
You mean you not do it so much?
Well, it's a process. It'll take some time.